Hi, my name's Elise, and today I'm going to take you through our 18-volt 1+ half-gallon electrostatic sprayer demo. It's important when using our sprayers to reference the operator's manual, as well as the chemical manufacturer's SDS sheet, to ensure you're wearing the proper PPE. First, we're going to demo this sprayer with the electrostatic function off. Now, we're going to demo the sprayer with the electrostatic function on. As you can see, with the electrostatic technology off, you're only able to cover one side of the demo. With the electrostatic technology turned on, this sprayer is positively charging the particles as they exit the unit, wrapping around the entire surface of whatever object is being sprayed. This 18-volt 1+ half-gallon electrostatic sprayer is available right now at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.